morning. Today we are going to learn numbers in JavaScript. Numbers in JavaScript. Okay. JavaScript consider all numbers in one type. Okay, so the numbers in JavaScript are considered as one type. We have no different types, no different number types in JavaScript. We have only one type. Okay, in JavaScript the number can be written as decimal or without decimal. Okay, let us see. Let's have this. Let's have different example. Scripting. Let x be E7 and let y be E-5. Okay. Document get element by ID. Okay, ID is demo. Okay, dot inner HTML is equal to x plus y. Okay. As you see, those are numbers. Okay, so in JavaScript, numbers in JavaScript are presented in or are presented number in JavaScript are presented in are always in 64-bit floating point. Number in JavaScript are considered as double precision. In double precision floating point. Number in JavaScript JavaScript allow maximum of 15 digits of numbers without explanation. Example. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that is now if we say that x, we will see that that is maximum of that is maximum of numbers allowed in JavaScript without explanation. If we increase number from that, it will start putting explanation. Why? 1 2 3. Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is will start. Let us see. Okay, as you see. Okay, let us start again. So it allow maximum of 15 accurate digits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. 7. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Number in JavaScript. JavaScript convert the decimal, the number below 10 to decimal to decimal with the number of decimal with number of decimal with the 17 number of decimal. Example, this in JavaScript it's not equal to this. Is equal to, it is equal to this one. This one plus this one in JavaScript. As you see, this one in JavaScript is equal to instead of equal to 3. This is because JavaScript convert this, okay, convert this one to this because JavaScript convert decimal, because yes, convert this one to this one, okay, until 7th decimal points. That's why to solve that things, we need to add to class to add this one in order to get to the correct answer. We need to multiply it by 10, then to divide it by 10, then we'll get the correct answer. Then we multiply it by 10, then we divide it by 10, then we'll get the correct answer, which is okay. To solve that, we multiply it by 10 both sides, then we divide, then we get the correct answer. Yeah, so we multiply by 10 left side, and we multiply by 10 right side, then we divide both by 10 to get the correct answer. That 0.71 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.3. Okay. Yeah. Another concept, JavaScript use plus for both addition and string concatenation. String concatenation. Example. We use here plus has been used for addition. That's why you get that answer. But if we change this to numeric values, which is some sort of, then we'll get different answer, as you see, because that addition here has concatenate there's two strings to get one strings. So addition in JavaScript can be used for both addition and concatenation. Okay. It is big mistake to expect this answer here while both values are concatenated. Okay, that is one. Second, it is a big mistake also to expect this answer here It is a big mistake to expect the answer like this when you have done things like this. Like let's see what we got here. You know, it is a big mistake to expect 0.3 there. This is because JavaScript always read from left to right, so it will concatenate first x and this is answer before addition of x and y. Okay, now let it go to another JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript concept about number. Okay, JavaScript always JavaScript always convert strings, numeric strings to number, as you see. Okay, x here plus x here times y will get the answer will be number, as you see. So it concatenate these two to number. Also division. Expect only when it comes to addition, it will concatenate instead of convert them to number, as you see. Okay, that is concept. Okay, JavaScript use keyword none to mean that the answer is not a number. Example, division of this one by apple will get this answer none, as you see. So this is not number. Okay, another concept in JavaScript we can also use is a none function to check if the value is number or not, as you see. If it return false, then the value is not the number. Okay, in JavaScript it will return infinite if the answer is largest or smallest close to the infinite values. Okay, let's see example. This our number is 1. So now it was 1 and our value here is infinite. Our text is that one. Okay, then if, then while, okay, while x not equal to infinite, okay, then something else. Okay. The thing like this to happen, x plus x x. Okay, text, not text, y is equal to x is equal to y plus x. Okay, then the alpha it will count until, okay, so x plus x plus x, y is equal y x plus x plus x. Okay, so to get y we have to get to take the previous value of y plus the current value of x. Okay, so this will result to the infinite. Okay, okay, this will result to the infinite. Why? This will result to the infinite. Wait, this must result to the infinite. This could result to the infinite. This could result to the infinite, as you let us see here. Why? This could result to the infinite, as you see here. Concatenate. You see, this is going to infinite. Yeah, that's result to the infinite, as you see that. Okay, another concept, any number that preceded by any number that preceded by any number that preceded by 0 by 0 by 0, like 0x. Okay, the JavaScript will convert it to hexadecimal number, as you see here. XY will result to the hexadecimal, as you see that. Okay, any number that preceded by 0, then number 0, then number, like that, will be divided to base 10. To base 10 will be converted to base 10. Okay, any number divided by 0, any number divided by 0, it results to the infinite. The answer is infinite. Okay. Base 10, infinite to string. So always the JavaScript convert the number to base 10, but we can use convert string to make it in any to string. You can use to string to put any base we want the number to have. Convert string, example from base convert string. Okay, base 16, base 6. Okay, x to string, x to 10, okay. If we change it is base here to to 60. That's our number B. 20. Base 10 is 20. base 60 is changed to be okay, base 32, base 66, base 4 to become that one. So we can change it whatever we want. It's 16. Okay, as we wish. Base 5, 100, base 2, 1. So whatever, we can change it in any base we want. Okay. Also, our we can just see our number, make object, convert our number to object, like by make this, okay, to object, type of x to see that okay. So we can convert our number to object like by putting new and the number. So now when we type of we find the type of x is number, type of y is string, so whatever. Okay, in JavaScript or it's not recommended to convert number to object because it will slow the execution of the code. Also, it prohibited to compare two objects. So so also in JavaScript, number okay, in JavaScript, x is equal to y here. Okay, it will return true. It will return false. It will return true. Okay, but because they are same value, but this will compare also type. It will return false because this is object and this is a number. Thank you for listening.